Welcome back. 2007 Saturn Vue, 6-cylinder, 3.5, I believe. 108,000 miles. It's due for spark plugs. So we're going to do spark plugs in this. Fortunately, you don't have to pull the intake to do these. It's just front and back. I'm going to show you the front. I'm not going to show you the back because it's almost impossible for you to see what I'm doing back there, but it's basically the same as the front. So let's go change spark plugs in this. 3 coils, obviously, in the front. Let me get some WD-40. I always take these, kind of hit the connectors with a little bit of WD-40 because I've found, and this could be just in my head, but it helps to keep them from breaking. You know, older cars, this stuff gets really brittle. I've had pretty good luck. Not to say that I never break the plastic because sometimes they just break, but I have pretty good luck with them usually. I'm probably blocking all your light. So you try not to break them like that one, just snapped. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes you can't do anything about that. You try not to, but sometimes it just happens. You know, these are pretty crunchy. Pretty crunchy. I think I'm 2 for 2. Yep. I believe that one broke too. I'm 2 for 2 here right now so far. And I hate that, but sometimes it just happens. Yeah, that didn't sound good either. 3 for 3. That's what happens to them. They just snap off. So we put them back on there. We figure out a way to get a wire tie, cable tie around them to hold them on so they don't come loose. 6mm hex on these to get the coils undone. Let's not drop these. Let's try not to drop them. The light doesn't do you any good when I have it shine into nothing. Why you gotta do that to me? Why you gotta be in my way? Alright. Not enough that I couldn't get to it, just a little bit of work. Radiator hose in my way here. We'll get it. There we go. Just set them aside. Just enough room. Two for 2 so far. Okay, I've got them all out. I knock you down so you're looking at nothing. Yeah, I did. I have no idea how much of that you saw. Probably none of it, as usual. That's usually what happens. Let's try that again. Alright, we'll try that. That one was loose in there. That's not cool. Okay. Now the one that's going to give me grief because of this radiator hose. We'll see if we can sneak it in. I think we can. Yes, we can. Very loose on this one too. Really no tightness at all. Sitting here. But I don't remember it's knocking it down in there. But who knows? Hopefully you can see that. NGK, iridiums. These do have crush washer on them, so you'll feel it crush down. These don't kill these. They usually take somewhere around 13, 15 foot-pounds at most. They don't get crushed. You don't want them loose, but you also don't want to crush them. Kind of feel the crush washer kind of bottom out, crush, and then just a little bit more, not a lot. Like I said before, I'm gonna take a ton. All right, sneak this one in carefully. Whoop. Okay. Get my ratchet off here. Come on. Come on. Too snug. Okay, I gotta figure out a way to wire cable tie these so they don't come undone. Although, yeah, they might. So they'll get a cable tie on them. Figure a way to. I think we have enough to wrap around that coil and secure them. Okay. All right, try this one. I know I'm going to get tons of comments about this, but short of replacing those connectors, which, yeah, they're too expensive. I mean, if you have to, you have to, but these will be fine. They're not going to come off of there with that on there, and that's not going to cause a problem. So that's what they're getting. Try to cut them flush so don't cut somebody trying to get in there. That can't come off now. That's all we need to do is not come off. Since the lock is broken, that's what you need to do. I'll do the next one, same thing. I know you can't see anything, right? Just sneaking it down in there. Same thing here. Just snug, don't need to kill it. Just put it in there so it'll hold it in place. Good to go. That's it. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna go do the same thing in the back, which I'm not gonna show you because you're not gonna be able to see it anyway. It's buried, but you can do it. We'll place the 3 on the back. Hopefully not break them. They'll probably break the same way, and I'll probably have to do the same thing, but that's it. That's pretty much it. So, kind of, maybe I can show you. You can kind of see there are the coils down here. So you can get at them. You can get them. It's just me trying to film that and show it to you is going to be a little tough, but it's the same procedure. We'll see if these break as well. My guess is the front's broke. These will probably break as well, but who knows? Come back when I'm done. Well, that's it. Changing the spark plugs in this 2007 Saturn Vue 3.5 liter. Only one of the release tabs broke on the back 3 cylinders, so 2 of them were fine. The other one, I cable tied it like the other ones. I know I'm going to get a ton of comments, oh, you hack, you. But come on, those connectors, they're going to end up costing probably more than the spark plugs and all cost to replace them. You got to depin them, and then you got to depin them, and cable ties are fine. They'll work fine. They won't be a problem. You know, do what you want. If you want to replace every connector on this thing, because when these cars get 15, 20 years old, almost everything that you touch and try to disconnect plastic, it's going to break. It's just going to happen. They were not original plugs in this, but I don't know when they were done. They were not OEM plugs. I like to use OEM for these. I did remove this air inlet. It's just, you know, either end and one bolt. Pulled it out of the way just to make it easier to get in there. Just do that if you're going to do when you do the back 3. But it's the same procedure as what was done in the front. No big deal. It's good for probably 75, 100,000 miles now. If you need to do this for your Saturn, I hope it helps you out. If you like the videos, click the like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching.